Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your VW Tiguan's infotainment system? You're not alone. Many Tiguan owners face issues with the modular infotainment matrix system. The first step is diagnosis. Is the screen completely frozen, or is there no sound? A simple soft reset can often resolve freezing issues. To perform a soft reset, hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until the system restarts. This restores the system to its default state and can clear temporary software glitches like memory leaks or app overloads. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 15 minutes, but be aware this may void warranties. These resets restore the system to its default state and can clear temporary software glitches. If the sound is the primary issue, check the amplifier fuses, as no sound problems often stem from faulty amplifiers rather than software. Remember, these are temporary fixes. Underlying bugs require software updates. If resets don't permanently fix the problem, a software update is likely needed. Volkswagen has released over-the-air OTA updates, like version 3.2.1, to address these issues, particularly for newer models. Check your system for available updates via the VW Service app or visit a dealership for assistance. These updates include bug fixes for common problems like outdated Android Auto CarPlay integrations. For older models without OTA capabilities, physical resets or hardware replacements might be necessary. For advanced troubleshooting, consider using diagnostic tools like VCDS, VAGCOM Diagnostic System, to identify CAN bus communication errors or audio DSP failures. If issues persist, it's crucial to seek professional help from a certified VW technician, especially if you suspect hardware failure or amplifier problems. VW recalled over 1.5 million Tiguan units worldwide for infotainment reboots, with free software updates via VW's service app or dealership visits, which resolved most cases. So you aren't alone, and the fix is likely easily available.